Hello guys, in this video, I will show you a simple way to fix errors on Thundr. First, make sure you don't have a VPN connected. Open the Start menu, search for VPN and go to the VPN settings. If you see any VPN connection there, remove it. Also check the proxy settings, and if a proxy is enabled, turn it off. After that, look at the hidden icons on your taskbar and close any VPN or unwanted apps that might be running in the background. Next, check if you have any virtual camera software installed. Some apps can cause issue with Thundr. For example, if you have OBS Studio installed and you are not using it, try uninstalling it. Then open your browser and go to the extension page. Remove any extension that might interfere with Thundr. Now open the Thundr website and go to the settings. In the filter section, deselect countries and in the profile section, choose everyone for matching. After that, start the chat and it should work normally. This method usually fixes most connection issue on Thundr. Give it a try, and if it works for you, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you still face any errors, leave a comment and I will try to help. Thanks for watching.